All right, folks, welcome back once again to DragonWorks. As you can see, we're back on that 2004 Suzuki Eiger 400 4x4. It needed a top end. The thing was low on compression. So I went ahead and rebuilt the top end, starting out with a new cylinder, piston, and ring kit. And I got that installed, and then I took the head and rebuilt it. Basically cleaned it up, took the valves out, re-lapped them, put new seals in, all that kind of stuff, and cleaned the thing up a little bit and got her back together. Now we're gonna fire it up so you guys can see the thing's running. Then after I show you that little video, I've got to run it a while, kind of break the rings in so they'll seat and everything. Do that, then retune it. And then let me get you out of the tripod. As you can see, I've got a lot more work to do even after that. So I'll run it, check for leaks, make sure the thing's going to run real good. And then I got to put on, I got to put the fuel tank back on, all the plastics, redo these racks, put them on the floorboards. Quite a bit of work to do. And then, of course, got to take it and test ride it and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully... I don't know about today. It's raining out. It's kind of really messy. So, I don't know if I'll get you all video today or not. Nothing too riveting here. Just, once again, another engine rebuild, top end. So let's fire the thing up. Shall we? And don't mind the smoke that you'll see coming off the engine and stuff. That's just oil burning off the exhaust from assembly. Okay, guys, see, not too thrilling, but yeah, man, sounds really good. It's purring like a kitten. So like I was saying a minute ago, just got to run it like that for a while, make sure it's all broke in, and then get everything adjusted, put it back together, and then we'll do some more video. What do you think of that? I might even make a separate video for that. I'm not sure. That's another thing you guys can help me out with. I'm not sure if you want to see long videos, like the whole process in one video, or if you rather have short videos, or what you guys like to see. That'll help me. So, comment or whatever about how you'd like to see the videos and what you prefer. All right, guys, that's going to be it for now. You'll catch me when I get it all back together, or if I get it tuned in real good or something, I might do another video, but thanks for watching once again. Okay, next morning cold start. I don't know, I probably got maybe 10 minutes of running time. Idling it, barely revving it up. I rode it around one circle. Half joke. Oh, I forgot to touch the pipe again. It's cold start. So I'll get this warmed up and then I'll do a little more video of it. I'm still kind of tuning it. I think I got it now, but I need to ride a little bit and see how it's active, and we'll go from there. That's pretty good right there, I'll take that. I don't know if you could even hear me, sorry. I'm just going to let it warm up a little bit and we'll do some more video, but that's very encouraging right there. Stand by. Okay guys, bear with me. I'm not going to have my helmet cam and all that fancy stuff. I'm going to try to take this thing for a little ride, just holding my camera phone. You saw a little spin around the parking lot, but I'll take it out for a little ride so you can see that it starts and operates as it should. Everything went very well. Did top end on it. So owner's got the seat. He's getting that recovered or what have you. That's the way you want them to start. I barely even touched the button. Oh, it is warm, by the way. I just wrote it out here. It's not like it's cold or anything, but starts great cold too. But anyway, let's just take a little ride. Like I say, I'll do what I can. Fly in one hand here. It's automatic, so let's roll. Yeah, she rock and rolls, man. Runs good now. I couldn't even ride it before. It wouldn't even hardly move. Let's take a little trip. It's been raining too, so I tried to do a video before, but it was pouring. Sorry about the crappy video, guys. Doing the best I can with one hand. But maybe you can tell, maybe you can't. Accelerates like it should. Runs great. You're gonna be very pleased with it. Responsive, just like it should be. All right. Not a great video, but I think you get the point, right? All right, guys. That's going to be a wrap. 2004 Suzuki Eiger 400 4x4 top end rebuild, carb cleaned and adjusted. All right guys, thanks once again for watching. Peace out.